Put on your mind, what you call it? Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. But your love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Carty Valdez and welcome to my tutorial for mastering Microsoft Word Personal Profile Documents and Formatting Challenge. In this video, I'll show you how to format this personal profile in simple and easy way in Microsoft Word, and I use at least 10 keyboard shortcuts while formatting the documents. First, open the Microsoft Word. Step 1, title. I'll type my full name at the back. Now, I centered it by Ctrl E. Then, make it bold by Ctrl B. And for underline, Ctrl U. Step 2. Self-introduction paragraph. This part is all about yourself. I'm changing font by using Ctrl I. For italic, Ctrl left bracket 2 degrees font size by 1 and Ctrl right bracket to increase font size by 1. Ctrl Shift X for strike through. And for the size, Ctrl +1 for single space, Ctrl +2 for double space. And for the alignment, use Ctrl L for align left and Ctrl E for centered, Ctrl J for justify. Step 3. Skills or hobbies. I'll type at least 5 of my hobbies. First, I make bullet for numbering by using Ctrl Shift L. Then I put my hobbies. Step 4. Insert own image. First, press insert, then picture. Insert picture from this device. Then select a picture. And for align using warp text, square left, square right, behind the text, and front of text. Step 5. The last part. Control S to save. Step 5. The last part. Control S to save.